videos you just saw were created using Abacus AI. In this video, I will show you why Abacus AI is the ultimate AI tool and how it's set to transform the future of AI. It is a revolutionary platform that brings together the best AI tools that require subscriptions, and it makes them available to you for just $10 a month. And the best part, first month is completely free. This includes text generators, image generators, video generators, voice generators, and many more. In the video generation category, it provides access to some of the most premium tools like Luma Labs, Halo AI, Clink AI, and Runway. These tools are quite expensive if you subscribe to them individually. For example, Halo AI costs $94.99, Runway costs $95, Luma Labs costs $94.99, and Clink AI costs $95. So altogether, that's around $380 per month just for these tools. But with Abacus AI, you get unlimited access to all these tools and many more just for $10 a month. Plus, you get pro accounts of other top tier tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and many more. It saves you from spending a fortune on multiple subscriptions. Now, you must be thinking, does Abacus AI really provide limited access to these tools with the same level of quality? So let's test the results for you. In this video, we'll be focusing on specifically video generation. First, go to the platform, create your account, and from the top menu, select the Root LLM option. Here you'll find dozens of tools for creating images, coding, generating text, creating PowerPoint presentations, and much more. Click on the More button in the right corner and select Video Generation. Now in the Model section, you can choose from the tools depending on your preference. For example, we want to create a short video using this image. So I'll upload this image along with a simple prompt to each of these options, and then we'll compare the results. Now one more question. Does the quality matches the quality offered by these tools on their own websites? So for that, let's upload the same image and prompt on Luma Labs to compare the results. And now, as you can see, the results are of identical quality with no noticeable differences. And the results with Halo AI were again quite similar. One important thing to note that each of these tools has its own unique features that sets it apart from the others. For instance, Luma Labs offers the ability to use one image as a starting frame and another as the ending frame to generate a video based on both. Additionally, it provides two distinct options, which is loop and enhanced prompt, that modifies the input prompt to improve video generation results. All these unique features are also available within Root LLM. As you can see, when I switched the model from Halo AI to Luma Labs, the options also changed. Now I can specify both the starting frame and the ending frame. The loop feature also allows for seamless video repetition, and enhanced prompt option refines the input for better results. So rest assured that all the functionalities provided by these tools on their respective websites are also available here, and the final output quality is identical. Thank you for joining us in this video. There are so many cool features in this tool that it's impossible to cover them all in one video. But I will try to cover up most of them in our upcoming videos. By the way, don't forget to subscribe our channel for that. Till then, bye-bye. I will see you guys in the next one.